Hadin balami shibun ki kenrum kenram Skul Pinemount Higher Secondary School kabalami ru nakadaw jong ke jingbom hun ki kimi ki kpa jong ki khana school ye kompany school jong ke principal jong ke school ka jingbom biang jong ki ceka le chabar nangta ke jingbom biang ki ceka sa jong ki khana school ki kamra pulekon ka madani lekai ka auditorium bat kiwe kabalami ru hakilat pathai kubor u Myntri Rangbah ke Sarkar Jelang konrad kongkal sangma rengkat bat ke kenuhun ki lelej ban Jurip ye ke school henin kesengi.
So where are you from?
I'm from Jingshisha. Yes.
Which class are you in?
I'm in class 6.
So how long have you been in the hostel here?
For like 4 years now.
4 years. This is your bed?
No, I stay in another room.
You stay in another dorm. Ask you very frankly, don't be scared. What would you like immediately to be done? Bathroom, enrollment, huh? Halls. Here, and on the floor.
And the cupboards.
In the cupboards. So you would like to get the cupboards done immediately, and the bathroom, and the flooring some part. Huh? As far as the roof. It shakes. And who wrote all of these things? Did you write these things?
No, it was.
It looks like your handwriting. Sure? This looks like a history book of all those who were here.
It's nice.
So you're saying the flooring, the cupboard, and the bathroom.
Lighting etc. is sufficient.
Lights?
Oh yes, it's
Students, right?
So do you have this table lamps etc.
no.
So for reading it is required not.
No, I think that you can change that. Look at these holes that in the top. Look at their holes. There you go.
The floors.
Also the different locations.
Hak bay day bat kane nagaliang jong Myntri Rangbah ulong bakatanat sarkar ke beri pej ye kene ke benta bat bakade ban penlong ye ke jing maramot ya baro ke jing don kam ban penbah kam tam ye ke cekale cabar jong ki khana kene ke jing le Jurip jong Myntri Rangbah ye ke Skul kalau hadin bakilayo ya shibun ke Jingujor na ki bebon balang Halor ke jinglong jingman jong kene ke Skul ha ke bay day bat ke jing dawa ban weng kam shipor ye ke kong ayom ksiar ding do ke beri ke principal jong ri ke Skul u Myntri Rangbah ulong bak jing tokit Halor kene ke kenrum kenram kadang ya cekmat bat on sakmi bat on simrai hadin balayo ye ke kaipon ha kene kesengi lai don lang Myntri ke tenat puli putih uba lakmen romboi u chief secretary ke jela uba Donald P walang bat kiwe ki he officer sarkar.
After detailed discussion with the Honorable Education Minister and based on his suggestions, we have decided to come and visit here in Pinemount School. As we are all aware that there were some concerns that have been raised by parents and the past pupils regarding some issues that were there in Pinemount School, and this being one of the premier institutes of our state. And in the recent past, there have been a lot of issues that have come up out here. So therefore, we felt that a site visit and coming and seeing things for yourself would give us a better perspective on the current situation out here. So based on that, we had decided to come here and visit Pinemount School along with the Honorable Education Minister and other officials, including our Chief Secretary. And we have seen that there are concerns regarding amenities like toilets. So we have taken a decision on the spot that whatever repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing repair has to be done to improve the infrastructure in terms of toilets, in terms of other infrastructures which require repairs will be done. At the same time, we have also seen that the hostel facility is not at all up to the mark, and a lot of things are required to be done. And so we have also decided that in fact there is a proposal already and the sanction has already been done. The tender processing was taking a bit of time. So I have spoken to the PWD minister in charge building, PWD building, that the tendering process should be completed at the earliest. And within this academic year, within the next academic year, before the next academic year starts, that we would want the construction work of the new hostel building to start. And in the meantime, we'll make temporary arrangements for the students who are in the hostel. And we are looking at multiple options. We'll take a call on that in the next few days' time on how we can temporarily accommodate the children who are in the hostels in temporary facilities around the campus only. So we're examining that too. We have also come and seen this auditorium which has been lying unused. We feel it can be put to better use. So we will be repairing this also and deciding on how we will use it in the future. So this was basically an idea was to, as I said, have a hands-on view of the entire situation out here. We are so also seeing the field out here. This also is in a bad condition. Can be done in the field also. So those aspects also will be examined. And other administrative requirements also are there. For example, the offices required for different staff and principal. We'll examine all those aspects also. So the idea was basically to come and see the overall situation out here based on the different concerns that have been raised by the public and the past pupils, the teachers and other managing committee members. So based on all those concerns, we thought that we should make a visit and see things with our own eyes. And based on that, as I said, we're going to take certain steps to improve things.